This is Dave. Dave owns a small home cleaning business. He does good work. His customers like him, but his leads are leaking. One person asks for a price and disappears. One person visits his website and leaves. One person says, "I'll get back to you," and never does. Dave does not need more random marketing. He needs a simple path that turns a stranger into a booked job. That path is a sales funnel. Now meet Maya. Maya is moving out of her apartment and she wants her deposit back. She is not thinking, "I need a funnel." She is thinking, "What am I forgetting before inspection day?" That is Dave's opening. If Dave helps Maya with that problem first, he earns her attention. So the funnel starts with one useful free resource. Tool 1 is ChatGPT or Claude. Dave uses AI to choose the right free offer. He types, "I own a home cleaning business. My customer is moving out. My paid service is move out cleaning. Suggest 5 lead magnet ideas, explain why each one works, and recommend the best one." AI gives him options, but one wins. Move out cleaning checklist. That is close to the buying decision because Maya needs it before inspection day. Now Dave asks AI to create the actual checklist. Not just the idea, the real asset. The checklist covers kitchens, bathrooms, floors, windows, trash, and final inspection. At the bottom, Dave adds one soft next step. Need help? Book a move-out cleaning package. Now Dave has something useful to give before he asks for the sale. Tool 2 is Canva Sites or Card. Dave does not need a full website for this. He needs one page with one job: collect the email. The page says, "Moving soon. Get the move-out cleaning checklist." Then 3 benefits: a name field, an email field, and one button. Send me the checklist. Simple pages convert because there is only one next step. Tool 3 is Zapier or Make. This is what makes the funnel feel professional. When Maya submits the form, the automation runs. Trigger, new form submission. Action 1, send the checklist email. Action 2, add Maya to the email list. Dave tests it with his own email before he sends traffic. The rule is simple: capture, deliver, store. Tool 4 is Mailchimp or any email tool. Most small businesses stop after delivering the free thing. Dave does not. He sends 3 helpful emails. Email 1 delivers the checklist. Email 2 gives a moving cleaning tip. Email 3 offers to handle the cleaning for Maya. Now Dave is not chasing leads manually. The system follows up for him. Now the whole funnel is clear. Maya has a problem. Dave offers the checklist. The page captures her email. Zapier or Make delivers the resource. Mailchimp follows up. And the final email invites her to book the paid cleaning package. That is the system. Not complicated, just one path from problem to customer. Before Dave calls it finished, he tests the funnel like Maya. Can she understand the offer? Can she enter her email? Does the checklist arrive? Do the follow-up emails send? Is there a clear paid next step? If yes, Dave has a working sales funnel. Start with your own lead magnet today. Subscribe for the next AI business system and ring the bell.